Okay. After we got the first boom on there, I went to record putting the second part on there, and evidently I had a corrupted file on the card, and it didn't record that part of the video. So anyway, we have the stab glued to the left side of the boom. This one here, obviously I've already completed, but just quickly how I did it. Once this is square on this, we're going to use this jig in order to space out these booms, and then we're just going to glue the other side of the boom on. What's important here is when we space it, so you space the front and space the rear the same as 9 inches. And all I did was I glued it on, I flipped it over this way, and I just simply put my glue on the stab, pulled these apart a little bit, then pushed it in there, lined it up flush. This is what's important, that it's flush back here, that way it's all square. And then I made sure to use my jig to make sure it was set in at the appropriate spacing, here, here, and it's all the way down. And then once I got that set in there, then I just pulled it over the side of the table, took my clamp, and I clamped it down as such, and then let that harden with a CA. The other thing I went ahead and did was I installed a spar. This is a black spar because I'm using some leftover stuff here. Yours is probably white, so you either have to paint it to match. But the spar is cut and it glues in the front flute of the stabilizer. What that does is that gives that stabilizer a little bit of a leading edge.